Hello, I wanted to show you how to get digital citizenship lessons on Nearpod. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in nearpod.com. That's going to take me to their website. Once I'm here, I'm just going to click sign in up at the top right. And then we will already have Nearpod accounts created for you. So you're going to go to log in with Google. It should automatically log you in. The first time you do it, it'll probably ask you a couple questions. But you just go log in with Google, and then you are in. So it'll either take you to two places. It'll either take you to your library, which is this window here, which shows all of your different lessons. And since I have lessons already, I think it takes me there automatically. When you sign in for the first time, most likely it'll probably take you to this screen. So all you would do is just click on My Library. And then once you're in your library, if you go up here to Explore, and you drop down to this District Library option, if you click on here, I've created folders of all of the digital citizenship lessons, and they're all kind of organized for you, so it's a little bit easier for you to find. So let's say I'm a 4th grade teacher. I would go to this group, this grade group 3 through 5. And then inside the 3 through 5 folder, there's all of the curriculum, but then they're also broken up into the different grade levels. So I'm going to say I'm a 4th grade teacher. And then in here, I have my 5 lessons that I have to teach. And you can see that they're labeled as 2.1, 2.3, 2.4. So all it's saying is this is the first lesson, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6 is the assessment at the end. And the reason it's 2 instead of 4 for 4th grade is because this is the 2nd grade in that band. So if you remember, the band was 3rd through 5th. So 4th grade is obviously the 2nd in that band. So I'm going to say that I am doing just the first lesson in September. So I'm going to go to 2.1 for 4th grade. What I do is I click Show in my library, and it will open up the lesson for me. The first thing I want to do is I want to make sure that I preview the lesson, because there are some things that it'll probably have that I might need to get ready. So I'm going to click Preview, and then you always have this information on teacher preparation. So there's a poster making activity, and students are also going to work in groups. It says I need about 8 groups for my poster making activity. So a good idea with these lessons is just to go through and have a look. So here's the essential question for the lesson. Here's our objectives for the lesson. And then it'll take me through the lesson. So I'm not going to go through the whole lesson, but you can start to see how it would be a good idea just to check through it before you deliver the lesson with kids. And once I'm ready and more prepared, I just go down to Live Lesson here at the bottom. And it's going to generate a code with me to share with my kids. So my kids could either just go to nearpod.com and then enter the code, or if I wanted to, I could push the code and the lesson out to my Google Classroom. So hopefully you found that useful. I'm available to help you out with delivering the lessons or more training at any point. Just email me, dharris@mbwsd.org. Thank you.